Hey y'all, this is Brooke from Large Family Homestead, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make Beet Kvass. You'll need a half-gallon jar, 6 cups of warm water in another half-gallon jar, whatever salt you use for your fermentations. I like Redmond's real salt. This is an optional ingredient, but I'm going to use pickling spice, and 4 beets. First, you're going to start by cutting your beets either into slices or into cubes. I'm going to do it in slices, and you're going to want to leave the peels on. Next, you're going to want to mix 2 heaping tablespoonfuls of salt into your warm water and stir it until the salt dissolves. Next, you want to pour the salt water over your beets until they are completely covered. And if you're using pickling spice, put in as much as you would like and stir it in. Now it's time to cover with a loose cloth and put it in a dark place. It might not bubble until 2 weeks later. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and share this recipe with others. And don't forget to click that notification bell so you know every time we post a new video. And if you guys did make this, let us know how it goes in the comments below. See y'all soon. Bye.